Hello guys and welcome to my YouTube channel. My name is Ntando aka Goddess and I'm a new YouTuber. So in this video, oh by the way, this is my first video, so yeah, welcome to the channel. And yeah, in this video we will be doing a get to know me type of thing, Q&A type of thing. Yes, so for the introduction, my name is Ntandenhle Immaculate Sibanyoni, and yeah, I think for now that's all you have to know. That's all you have to know. My name, Sharp. So let's get into the video. Okay, so first up, I wrote the questions down. It's not a lot of questions. I wrote them down so that I don't
bombastic side eye
and make mistakes and right. So first up is, wish we talked more. Okay. Okay, you should text me because like I sent this NGL link to my status and my WhatsApp status and Instagram and Facebook. So yeah, you should text me, dog. Text me. Are you looking to date someone? What's the second question? And the answer is no. No, no, no. I am not looking to date someone. Sharp. Third question. Do you hate anyone? No, no. Why would I hate anyone? No, I don't hate anyone. I don't have even the slightest gene. Sokzonda. I don't hate anyone. Question 4. Single? Yes, I am very single and right. I am not looking. Sharp. Fifth question. My friend has a crush on you for the longest time. Guys, you can't like it said ask me an anonymous question, not tell me something anonymously. It was ask, but collab, guys. Texting anyone right now. What do you mean? What do you mean? I'm gonna need you to elaborate on that further. Who's your BF?
It's a personal matter. Really, we can't be asking each other those types of questions.
I don't have a BF, guys. I don't have a BF. Please. I don't have a BF, and I don't want a BF, and I don't need a BF. I get ready. How do you feel about going to the red dance? Unfortunately, I am not going to the red dance. For those who don't know what the red dance is, yeah, this weekend it's going down, but I'm not going because I have some places to be. Kahlala, guys, but like I'm not going. What's your favorite thing to do? What's my favorite thing to do? My favorite thing to do is singing. Ew, I love singing, and also crocheting. I love crocheting. I'm a crocheter. Why did you join Emachichi? Okay, so why did I join Emachichi? I don't know, eh? I don't know why I joined, but like I liked it. I liked Ubona Machichi, like being tan Mabona Machichi on social media, because loving Hila Konabo before the copy, so going Kamachichi. So yo ngasokola guys, yo. ngasokola, but like bengithanda mangabona kuma TikTok, Facebook, like yonke le ndawo, like bengathanda guys, thande ubona ukuthi ooh, like this is something that I would love to do, this is something that I would like, yeah, well, something like that. Okay, can you please count how many branches do you know ematshitshini? Okay, usually like thina ibranch yethu, ama-branch esijwayele ukuthi sihambe nawo ayi-6 and then 7 ngebranch yethu. So it's ibranch yethu iligotshwa semanzi, izinkanyezi zaseRathanda, ikusaseliqhakazile, ilitha lamagcina, iqhakaza, ukukhanya, yeah, and then okay, iqhakaza mbali yesizwe, and then elinye igama labo ukukhanya, elinye izinkanyezi, and then enye futhi ikhophu esijwayele ukuhamba nayo izindoni zesizwe, and then enye ikhophu esihamba nayo futhi Kana, what's this?
You are shaking, my guy. Even shaking was not nice. So,
Skhaleni sobuhle, and then we do visit amanye ama-branch, but amanye ama-branch angwazi amagama wabo lawo sijwayele ukuthi lawo, sorry, angwazi ama-branch lawo esijwayele ukuthi siwavakashele, but like yeah, akhona ama-branch esiwavakashelayo, njenge-branch yase-Jameson or i-branch yase-Jameson Park siyayihambela, nabo bayasihambela. I-branch yase-Tsakani siyayihambela nayo, nabo bayasihambela. I-branch yase-Tsakani konje, what's it called? Umnenya wakhohlwa lawa amanye ama-branch shame. And then nayiphi branch futhi, oh, we once met enye futhi branch, sahlangana nenye branch futhi yase-Tsakani, konje yini, izintombi zenhlanzeko. So yeah, yiwo la ma-branch engiwaziyo. And then yeah, we've reached the end of the video. Thank you for tuning in, thank you for listening, thank you if you've watched until here. Please like, share, subscribe, comment, leave a comment, please, and tell your friends to tell their friends to comment and share and like and subscribe. Yo, love you guys, I love you all.